Yo, what's up everybody? So I have a little unboxing today for it's a card that I've been looking for. I don't even know how long. It's just a base card, but for some reason this one just doesn't seem to show up in many places. But showed up on eBay a little while ago. I decided to grab it because I was kind of getting sick of hunting for it. It's looking for it for a while. I was getting sick of it, and I was just like, you know what? I grabbed this one I see off eBay. Might pay a little more than what I normally would, but that's fine because it's the last one that I need for this wrestler's base cards. Check this out. Little unboxing here. Here we go. A little card for from the seller. Ooh, that's a nice little card. Nice little card. Little card there, and here is the card. Nicely, securely packaged. It is the 2019 Rina Yamashita base card. Oh, there's a decent amount of tape on there. Huh. Get it off from this side, maybe. Yeah, seller made sure to package this pretty good because I paid a decent amount for the card. I get all that gross stuff off there. Okay. I don't like this tape on there. I want to get it all off there. Maybe put it in a different top loader after, because this is all sticky now. All sticky all over it. So, see if I can pull it out now. There we go. Keep that in there. That card is looking like it's in really good condition too. Wow. Really good condition. Okay. Good. So I got the 2019 Rina Yamashita card. So this completes my set. As you see here, I got all of her other cards. Got a 2014 and 2015. This is 2016. 2017 is falling out a little bit. Let's tap that down. There we go. 2017. Got the 2018 where she has that blonde, like bleach blonde hair in that one. That one's pretty cool. So the 2018. And then we got the 2019. I'm going to wreck this card now that I have it. 2019 one. Line these up a little better. Then we got 2020. And 2021. And the 2022. And she wasn't in the set for the 2023 set. I don't know why. I mean, I never really asked, but maybe she was just she's coming over to the United States so much. Maybe she just wasn't available to do the signings for the cards. But yeah, that'll complete all of my base cards for her. But also I have, let's show off her other ones I have. So I have some the autographed ones. So I have both her rookie, the rookie 2014 card right there. And then I have the 2015 autograph card. So now it's on time to search for the autographed, the rest of the autographs of these BBM True Heart cards. And then also I can show off, because I got these other ones. These aren't BBM True Heart. Got the 2 Pro Wrestling Junkie ones right there. And then I just have her card from the Deathmatch All-Stars Volume 2, the GCW set. So yeah, I'm kind of a fan of hers. She's one wild person. And also, to top it all off, I do have her acrylic stand, which is cool. Yeah, I didn't check if they made more for this year for the Nomad show. I'm not sure, but I do have this one. This is from last year, I think. This one's from last year, but yep, I got our acrylic stand. So now it's just time to get the rest of the BBM True Heart autographs. If I can, I'm not gonna pay any ridiculous amount of price for them. I know I seen one on eBay for like $100. I don't know if I'm gonna spend $100 on one card. But anyways, that's for my Rina Yamashita collection that I got going. I think I'm doing pretty good. I don't think I'm missing too much stuff besides her autographed cards. I don't have any shirts from her yet. Maybe I'll get a shirt from her soon. I don't know what other kind of merch she has though. But I got her cards. That's what I like to collect mostly. So that's cool. Anyways, I hope you like this unboxing / showing off this collection. I'll see you next time.